Wild cherries are out now, the black cherry species. Identify it, you can see that the leaf is serrated. The leaves are alternating, running down the stem, and they have clustered cherries, but you want the black ones. You can see, and you have to get them before the birds, the squirrels, and the deer. And we're gonna make a wild cherry vinegar. Here's my bowl of cherries. Let's make a cherry shrub syrup with wild cherries. Make a wild cherry syrup. We need cherries, all cleaned. These are wild cherries, 1.5 cups. 1.5 cups of sugar, and 1.5 cups of white wine vinegar. Stir it up, bring it up to a boil. Reduce it down to a simmer. Take a little potato masher and smush it down. Don't crush the seeds, them, and let it simmer for just 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, turn off the heat. Let it sit for another few moments before straining. Drain your cherry shrub. Oh, it's gorgeous. Squeeze all those cherries in there. Take your hands. Squeeze your cheesecloth. Still hot, all in there. Pour it into a jar. It'll keep in the refrigerator for about 6 months. And now you're ready to make some cocktails, mocktails, salad dressings, or just lick it off the spoon. There is our cherry shrub vinegar. Cherry shrub syrup, whatever you want to call it. It'll thicken up in the refrigerator too. To make a mocktail, get you a cup of ice, 2 tablespoons of your cherry shrub syrup, some ginger ale. There's our little bubbly. Mix it up. Throw in the lime if you have it. Delicious. Cheers.